Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody's needing some help to draw this heart with a fancy bottom or heart with a heart bottom. And these are really pretty easy. Go to your polygon tool and hit common shapes. Yours might say basic shapes depending on what version you have. But get the heart and just draw it down. Now, I draw everything in Hairline, and in this fact, it actually helps you. I'm going to draw the first one. I'm going to go to Object and convert it to a curve, then grab the Shape tool, and if you see, I got a node down there. I'm going to take that node, I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to move my handles. And there's, you can make it symmetrical or non-symmetrical. You can move it up, move it down, squish the heart, and you can really play around with it. That's just more like a teardrop type effect. And then when you make it something other than a hairline and make it black. But the other way would be to take a basic shape or common shape, draw a heart, Control D and make a duplicate, mirror the duplicate, take and reduce the duplicate, and then place it on your tip right there. It should snap to it. The key is to take both of them and go up to Object and combine them, and now it's all one line. And now when you make it thicker, you're going to make them all thicker. So there's the heart shape. The other one like this, which I've actually cut out with a plasma cutter that's pretty cool, is you just take the original one we did, and it's almost easier to look at it and go up to Object and look at it, convert the outline to an object, and left click, right click, and you get that. And then we can actually take our nodes. I'm going to get rid of that second node. I'm going to select both those nodes. I'm going to right click and break them apart. So now I have separated lines. And we could take it, and this is kind of where your artistic ability will show. And you could bring in guideline. We could probably delete all these nodes and get rounder consistency. But then all you have to do if you think that looks good and we're a little bit off there, just play around. Take a 2-point line, just temporarily, well, I don't like that one at all. Let's call that good. Take a 2-point line and just mimic those two or seal those two in. Get your virtual segment delete key, which I didn't grab, and grab these. And then always take your Smart Fill tool, fill that in, and what that does, it fills up all you're going to especially want to do that if you're a plasma cutter. And that'll be all one piece and cut out. And then you could still change it after the fact, if you wanted to add a little flair or a little, whatever you wanted to it. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.